Hello, I hope this finds you well. Today is Friday, October 28th, 2016, and in about 3 minutes I will share with you a brief overview of the markets last quarter, and I will explain why we actually have been in a recession. But first, here's some market data for you. Stocks and bonds both rose in the third quarter, with the S&P 500 posting a 3.9% total return, and the Barclays Aggregate Bond Index rising 0.5%, or 0.5%. Analysts are quoting central bank support, i.e. low interest rates, as the theme helping to support the market's run. We did see a change in leadership last quarter as cyclicals performed better than the defensives, with technology rising almost 13% in the quarter. So now let's switch gears to the recession topic. Even though I've been saying recently we are definitely not in an economic recession, we have been in a corporate earnings recession for about a year now, since the third quarter of 2015, according to Thomson Reuters. And there are a couple of reasons why this is unique. First, it is very rare that we have such a slump in corporate profits outside of an economic recession. Even though the US economy has been growing slowly, it is still growing. Second, this streak of earnings declines is one of the longest earnings recessions in the history of the index, though far from the deepest. So what do we expect moving forward? The beginning of a new quarter marks the beginning of a new earnings season, when companies generally report earnings from the previous quarter. Thomson tracked consensus estimates are calling for a decline of 0.7% in year-over-year S&P 500 earnings for Q3. But typically companies deliver about a 3% upside surprise. Should we see the same upside surprise this quarter, we could see a 2 to 3% earnings gain, which would officially end this long earnings recession. As I have said in past videos recently, the energy sector and the dollar both stabilizing could provide this positive momentum, so we will see how this earnings season plays out. Thank you as always for taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Take care.